Dude, I love this place. We have fidget spinners. Where are they? Where are they? I must grab them. I don't know what this is, but don't copyright me for it. They got Bing Bong, Bing Bong. Ooh, they got Assassin's Creed here. Star Wars stuff. Where are the fidget spinners? I don't know what music or song this is, but it sure is awesome. Guys. Yep. Oh my goodness, this is a wall of beauty. Just makes me drool looking at it. Oh. Here's mine. Oh yeah, sweet. This is amazing. Oh yes. That's such a good deal too. Getting some toxic waste also. We'll try that when we get home. I think that's so much barrel of slime, but there was like one more of that toxic waste stuff, and I got it. Now all I need to find is a selfie stick, and then I've got everything that I need here. So yeah. Okay, so change of plans. There are these also. Fidget cubes. Fidget cubes. And a light up fidget spinner. Oh my gosh, cool. I'm also getting another light up one. Oh, it's gonna be so fun. Is that the little one? Is that the tiny one like this?
Yeah.
That one's good. Tiny one's pretty dang good. It's literally this big. It's amazing. Whew. It does light for me. Yes. Get itty. It's a mile. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well guys, yeah, I think this is successful. So I'm gonna end this portion of the vlog. Please, if I'm correct, we need a shelf, right? Correcto? Yes. Oh boy. I think this was the best purchases I've ever made. It literally slides into my back pocket. It's amazing. This is a section. Shelby. Where are you? I'm gonna find you.
If we don't find one today, I'll have to go to IKEA next week and look for you.
Okay. Hopefully it's not my shelf. Shelby. I can't believe it's actually charging though. I tell you one thing. This thing might explode. Oh my gosh. I'm just here walking. Oh my god. That's a loot.
Oh, and on sale this week.
I believe.
15, please, Tiny,
You
15.
can look and see which one you want, and I can get it next week because it'll be on sale next week. So those are all shelf stairs there.
Oh. This shelf for my Star Wars figures. Which shelf? I think I know which one I want. This one right here on the very top. I like it. They had a Star Wars one. That'd be great. But seriously, this thing is amazing. If you ever find another one of these, I want you to buy it. Oh, it's got 1 dot of battery. I think this tells you how much. Oh,
Oh yeah, if it's got 1 dot, it's very low on battery.
oh, jeez. Oh, jeez.
I love
You've
their
already been in this
candles.
store for $2.10.
I love their candles.
Oh my god. Oh, this one
Smells
smells different.
Warm milk.
That just smells like cheese to me. This one smells like grandma's bathroom.
That one smells
Uh,
really good.
Can you open up orange zest? Oh, I got it. Here, hold it. Oh, that one smells super good.
Is it?
Yeah, smell it. What does it smell like?
Oranges.
No, it's a drink.
Oh.
Is that any D?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm ending it.